see how to promote your new product or service through the Instagram. So the basic idea is to create a reel or post on your Instagram about the new product you are actually planning to launch, or it may be a new service as well. So ask the particular followers or your audience to comment a specific kind of keyword. So when they comment that particular specific kind of keyword, we will actually activate the particular chatbot and collect their phone number to provide them the early access and also a special discount, as they are actually getting this particular deal for the first time. So that is the basic idea. So here we have already created the flow, for example. So you can actually come up with your own script over here. So we simply say, hello, we noticed your interest in our exclusive product launch. Would you like early access and a 10% discount? So if they confirm they actually need a 10% discount, we simply ask them for their phone number. And here what we are doing is we actually saving this particular phone number in the phone number field. So you can simply do that by using get user data, and here we are actually saving in the phone number field, and we are also setting the opt-in as well. And after that we simply say your phone number is this particular phone number, and we also give them an option to change the phone number as well. And in 2 seconds we send, you will receive a confirmation SMS shortly with a link and your 10% discount code. Thank you. And after that we simply add them a tag as product launch leads, so we can actually know this particular person already went through this particular flow. And we can actually, if you want to like send any sort of marketing campaigns for these kind of leads, product launch leads, you can simply do that. And also here we send the SMS, thank you for your interest for your early exclusive product, your access link, and also we simply send the 10% discount as well. So we are going to test how this actually works. Before that, here I'm in the analytics tabs. We have to actually set the comment automation over here. So that's also one of the way to get people into your chatbot through the Instagram. So here, to access the comment automation, go to the tools over here. So in tools, if I open the Instagram comment automations here, we can actually set a specific kind of keyword. So that means only to the let's say I create a new post on Instagram promoting my new product launch or a service. Ask customers to comment a specific kind of keyword like launch or something like that. So let's create one over here. So let me simply name this trigger as product launch over here. So and create one over here. So as I mentioned, we are going to trigger the particular chatbot flow over here when a particular customer comment a specific kind of keyword on your Instagram reels or post. So let's see how to do that. So here I am on the track comments on all posts. So you can, if you are planning to promote your product through multiple reels, post or something like that through Instagram, you can simply use this all post. Otherwise, if you have only one post, you can simply choose that particular specific post as well. So let me simply go with all post over here and private reply to comment. So when a particular customer comment a specific kind of keyword, what sort of a message you want to send them. So here we have actually created this particular flow over here, asking them if they're actually interested. If they confirm, after that we simply ask for the phone number. Likewise, this particular flow continues as you see here. So what I can do here is I can simply go to choose this particular flow over here and choose this product launch flow over here. So here private reply to comment, choose the flow and also choose that particular product launch Instagram comments flow over here, the same flow name we have chosen over there. And after that you can also add a public reply to the comment as well. So let's say here, if you want to add some sort of replies like just sent you a DM, and you can actually add different kind of variations. So each of the followers or audience who actually comment on that particular reel or post, they will get different sort of public comment replies as well, along with this particular chatbot flow in their DM as well. And reply to all comments. So instead of replying to all comments, you can actually ask your followers or audience to comment a specific kind of keyword. So that this particular flow will be triggered only if they comment a specific kind of keyword. So let me simply choose that particular keyword as launch. So only if they comment as launch, then these automations will be triggered. So that's the beauty of thing. So instead of just tracking all comments, you can simply use this comments equal to launch. Otherwise, you can also use this comment that contains launch, will also trigger the automation likewise. And here we have some more options as well, like only reply to new contacts, reply, so you can simply keep as it is. And there's also you can also delay these kind of responses as well, so you can delay in seconds, minutes, hours. And also you can actually send these sort of automations messages randomly within 10 minutes. Those kind of things are possible as well. So for now, let me choose immediately over here and click save. I've actually created this particular product launch. Make sure this is active before you test. So I'm going to test this on Instagram over here. As you remember, the keyword is launch. So I can open any post over here and comment as launch and see how this actually works. So as you see here, I am actually commenting as a launch over here, and this should actually trigger the chatbot over here. So let's see how this actually works for us. And it says DM sent. So if you remember, one of the comment automation or public comment reply we set was DM sent. So that's why we got this particular reply over here. The private reply is this particular flow will be sent to us. So if I open the messages over here, so if I go to the chatting media messages, we actually received the exact message we set up for this particular product launch over here. So it says, hello there, we noticed your interest in our exclusive product launch. Would you like early access and a 10% discount? So let me say yes, I am interested. So here it simply asks for the customer's phone number. So let me enter a phone number over here, 2465673. So I'm actually providing a phone number. So I have provided the phone number, so it will simply send back the phone number and also provide an option for the customer to change the phone number as well. And here it says you will receive a confirmation SMS shortly with the link and also 10% discount code. So here we should have received this sort of SMS message as well. So let me go to the SMS over here, and here I have received the exact SMS. Thank you for your interest in our exclusive product launch. Your early access link is here. Tap on this particular button, use this particular code for a 10% discount on the purchase. So this is just a demo of how this actually works. So here if you remember, we also add this particular the audience or the followers who actually went through this particular flow as this particular tag, product launch leads. So you can use this particular tag to send remarketing campaigns for these kind of customers as well. So let me show how to do that. So if we go to the broadcast over here, you will have the option to send the broadcast via the SMS, because we actually collected their phone number already. So if we go choose SMS over here, and here you can actually choose a flow to send it. So here you can actually filter the audience by using the tag is that particular launch list. So you can specifically send whatever the SMS messages for the launch list. So here after I choose this particular tag, the receivers is set to just one over here. So here you have to come up with a flow over here. So what I can do is that I can quickly create a single flow. Simply copy this particular message over here, and let me name this one as SMS broadcast and create a new flow. For that I'm going to use some text from this particular over here. So let me simply paste that one. Expires today. So let's say today is the last day of your deal, and simply choose this one and the link as well. So that's it. So let's say you can simply send this sort of SMS broadcast to the contacts who actually opted in for this product launch on the last day as well. So let me show how to do that. So let me refresh this particular page. So, and the flow name here is SMS broadcast. So let's create a new broadcast, and SMS broadcast is here, and here you have to simply choose that particular tag as launch. So as soon as we choose the launch leads and click save, these 8 receivers will be set to just one, because only one contact is tagged using this particular label over here. So let me simply send the broadcast. So one receiver. So once it is sent, we should receive the same SMS on our mobile as well. So here express today, use code chatting10 for 10% discount code on your purchase. And if I open my SMS over here, as you see here, we have just received that particular message over here. Express today, use code 10 chatting10. So that's how you can actually promote your new product launches using a chatbot along with the SMS marketing. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.